Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria multiplayer on Android. To begin, ensure all players are on the same local Wi-Fi network. This is the fundamental requirement for connecting with friends. You will then decide who will host the game and who will join. This process is straightforward and allows for seamless cooperative play. Get ready to explore vast worlds together with your companions. To host a game, first launch Terraria on your Android device. From the main menu, tap on the Multiplayer option. Next, select Host and Play to begin setting up your server. Choose your preferred character and the world you want to share. Once the world loads, an IP address will be visible. Share this address with your friends so they can connect to your game. Joining a friend's game is just as simple. From the Terraria main menu, select Multiplayer and then choose the Join option. You will need the IP address provided by your friend who is hosting the game. Carefully enter this address into the designated field. After connecting, select your character and you will be transported into their world, ready for adventure. For the best multiplayer experience, ensure everyone has a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. It is also crucial that all players are running the exact same version of Terraria on their Android devices to avoid compatibility issues. Closing unnecessary background applications can significantly improve game performance. Remember, up to 8 players can join a single mobile world, making for epic group adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.